All right, so guys, this is number 11 out of 13.3, which is probably like assignment number 6 or 7. And it's asking us to factor completely, so here is our polynomial. I'm just going to rewrite it again. So it's 3x squared, because I know the picture is a little rough, plus 17x plus 20. Okay, so remember, my goal here, first off, is can I factor anything out of all three terms? And unfortunately, 3 doesn't go into all of them, okay? And that's the only number I could possibly factor out because that's the number I have there. So then we're going to go ahead and use the method of grouping. So remember what grouping says. We're going to take the first number times the last number. So 3 times 20 is going to leave me with 60. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a t-chart. I'm going to make a list of all the numbers that I know multiply to 60. So I know 1 and 60. I know 2 and 30. Let's see. I know 3 and 20. I know 4 and 15, and we know 5 and 12, right? And I think we got one more, 6 and 10, okay? So we're trying to find the pair of numbers that's going to add up to 17. So if you notice in here, y'all, 5 and 12, if I add those numbers, that'll give me 17, and that's the number that I have right there in the middle, right? So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this problem, 3x squared plus 5x plus 12x plus 20, right? And now remember, we're going by grouping. So out of here, I know I can factor out the letter x, and I'm left with a 3x plus 5. And then from here, we can factor out the number 4, and we're also left with a 3x plus 5. So remember, we know that if we did this the right way, that's my cat, he's just wanting to go outside. I'll let him out in a second. So anyway, we know that if those pieces match up, we did this right. So that factor, 3x plus 5, is going to collapse into 1 right here. And then my second factor is going to be x plus 4. And so here's my answer. If y'all got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.